Hey yo, what's up guys, welcome back to our channel Want to Stay. If you want to buy subscription on plenty of this dating app, then let me teach you how. First of all, open your web browser. So I'm going to use Firefox as my web browser and typing www.puf.com. Hitting enter, it will take you to its official website. Now to buy subscription, as you can see in the top bar of your web page saying upgrade, click on that button. Now as you can see, it will take me to this page saying premium features with these options. If you buy your subscription, then you'll get all these stuffs. Now as you can see, you have 4 options: 1 week, 1 month, 3 months and 1 year. So you just have to enter your credit card and click on the options you want and just click pay now, and you have got successfully subscription on Plenty of Fish dating app. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Hit the bell icon button to get updates on our new videos and drop a comment for reviews and more contents like this. And I'll see you guys later.